Hello friends. Today I want to show you how the odometer blocker works on a Dodge Ram. The device has already been installed on the vehicle. We'll activate it and give it a test drive to see for ourselves how it really works. As for the activation, there are two ways to do it. The first and the easiest, just download the SKF app on your mobile and the device will be 100% under your control. And the second way is to activate from the steering wheel buttons. It's different for every car models. In case of Dodge, press and hold OK button on the steering wheel for 5 seconds. Repeat the process for deactivation. So it's time for a test drive. Now we're driving with the blocker activated, and as you can see, the odometer doesn't count mileage. To make sure that the device is working correctly, I will deactivate it, and you will see how the odometer starts to count the mileage. Do you see? This device is amazing. You should definitely try it. Visit the website superkilometerfilter.com and select a device for your vehicle.